want to welcome you to our suite of services. I'm going to review 7 amazing things we'll do for you that you're going to have to pay someone else to do. And repeat that, we'll do for you what you're going to have to pay someone else to do. We'll do it for free in most cases, as long as you're a partner with us and do business with us. Number 1, let's just get the kickoff here, is start a store. Do you have a website? Do you sell online, or are you still waiting? If you don't have a website, we'll help you get started. We'll give you high-res images. We'll give you descriptions. We'll do the work for you, asterisk, asterisk. Marketing assistants will give you amazing social banners, socially ready banners for Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, Tumblr, all the cool things that you do on social media. We'll build you email banners ready with your name. We'll give you videos of products to upload free. And email templates with your information on it, what you'd like us to say. You just tell us, we'll design it and send it to you. Then we have another amazing program, is Business Referral Program. That means when you refer any business, a wholesale business, to us, they sign up, they buy something. When they buy something, you'll get 15% on the first order. First order only, 15%. Then you'll get a recurring 10% for every order while you're sleeping, while you're at the beach. You're making money. We have ideas for you. So training, it's upcoming soon. And in that, we're going to give you all kinds of information about the jewelry that you didn't know. You're going to see it made. You're going to see the steps. We're going to show you why it's special, where the quality is. It's not lightweight, in how much silver you get, the quality of the silver, the 925, the stamp, all the value that means a lot. And when you tell your customer, it'll mean something. Next is the M3 marketing program. We're going to give you a monthly program that's going to teach you all kinds of marketing tricks, tips, and ideas. Then the 5th, number 5, is custom design. You can create your own custom line of jewelry. It's simple. And number 6, newsletter. Weekly and monthly tips and articles about things you can do, what's cutting edge, what's new, what to do online or in your store. It's going to cover everything. And you'll get that updated with our best tips. And then, number 7, our exchange programs. There's 2. One is called the Silver Exchange, and that's for old jewelry. Silver Exchange, old jewelry that you can't sell. Stamped 925 or sterling silver. Put it in a box, send it to us. Or the Jewelry Exchange Program. If you have jewelry on your rack, you bought it from us, the designs are our designs. Under 1 year period, you bought that, we'll exchange it out for any designs you like to buy. So that is our suite of services. Peter Stone saying, enjoy the benefits. Make some money and put a big smile on your face and your family's. See you next time.